Hello everyone! Today I'll quickly show you how to remove the front exterior door handle on a 4th generation Kia Optima. This job is actually very simple and doesn't require any special skills. Just follow these steps and you'll have the handle removed in just a few minutes. First, open the door and locate this small cover. It hides the access point to the mounting bolt that holds the door handle in place. To avoid scratching the paint, I recommend using a plastic trim removal tool like the one I'm using here. Carefully lift the cover from the edge, and it should pop out easily. Once the cover is removed, you'll see the mounting bolt inside. Using a ratchet with a 10mm socket, reach in and begin loosening the bolt. Keep turning it until it is fully loosened. The bolt will remain inside the mechanism, so don't worry if it doesn't come all the way out. After loosening the bolt, we can start removing the door handle. You'll need the same plastic trim tool for this step. Begin with the small rear cover piece. Carefully lift it from the edge and pull it toward you. It should unclip very easily without requiring much force. Here's what the piece looks like once removed, and this is how the mechanism looks inside. Now we can remove the main door handle. Simply slide the handle toward the rear of the vehicle. Once it moves into the correct position, it will release from its mounting points and come off easily. There's no need to disconnect anything else or remove additional parts. The handle should come off smoothly if the mounting bolt has been loosened correctly. For reinstallation, simply follow the same steps in reverse order. Slide the handle back into place, reinstall the small cover piece, tighten the mounting bolt, and snap the access cover back on. If this video helped you, please leave a comment below and let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.